Hello, and welcome to another episode of That's Why We Have Hot Dogs in the Freezer. Today I want to talk to you about ingredients. Some things you buy at the grocery store are a little bit foolish to buy because you can make it yourself. So I'm going to be doing a couple videos on ingredients that you can make for yourself. And I don't know if you've priced these at the store lately, but Zoodles are easy to make and won't cost you an arm and a leg. So let's get started. First thing you need is a spiralizer. Now, these don't cost much. So I bought this, actually this is my second one. I gave the first one away. I like this one because it has a little something special I have to show you. So I keep it in the box it came in. So we take it out, and it starts off with, it has different blades and they do different cuts, so we won't talk about those too much right now because my favorite blade is already on the machine, and that blade is the angel hair blade. That's right, you can make angel hair zucchini noodles. So what you do is you take this little grabby thing, put it through here, and then screw your handle on. Alright, got my handle on. Now, you reach back here, there's suction cups under this, so you push this down because you really want this to hold to the table. And what I usually do is, I usually do this over the sink, but today for this, I'm going to do it right here. In fact, I'll tell you what, instead of using this plate, I already have a cutting board here. Why don't I just use that cutting board? So cut off what was the stem end. Bring this back. There's a little hole right here. You want to get the middle of your vegetable right in the hole because that's going to be the part that doesn't become a zoodle, and that is actually the core of your zucchini. Did anybody catch on to the fact that a zoodle is a zucchini noodle? I know you did. Alright, so we're going to do this. Put this up here so it'll catch it. You see why, normally I'll just put this on the edge of the sink and put a bowl down the sink to catch them. But you just grind it and grind it. There's a little lever back here that I'm pulling on. Neglected to show you that. Actually, you can see it right here in the picture. I'm pulling on that little lever just to make sure the zucchini is being pulled into the machine. Every once in a while I'll take my pinky, once I can reach it, and put it up here. That way I'm kind of making a vise out of my fingers. So then we just grind it and grind it until we get down to a nub. And that's our first one. Pull this back, pull this out. Oh look, it's a toadstool. You can eat this. I mean, it's the core, but it's still tasty. That's your snack for making your zoodles. But you see there, we just made angel hair pasta out of a zucchini. Let's do that again. Cut the stem end off, pull the business end back, line this up in the center of the vegetable, grab that. This will work for anything that you can fit in here. I've in the past done beets. And if you do beets with a coarser blade, you can make a whole different kind of pickled beets. It's got a nice texture to it. You can do shoestring potatoes. They actually have a blade in here that does wide ones that you can do like shoestring potato chips. So I love this little machine. I wish this table would quit rocking back and forth. So I'll pull this back. pull out our other toadstool. So this is 2 zucchinis. Kind of food stretcher too. And this is a blank palette. You can saute these in a pan and add a little marinara sauce. You can take them just like this, put them in a colander in a sink, sprinkle them with a little salt, let it set for 30 minutes, it'll kind of leach out some of the liquid, and then add pesto. I love that. But anyway, blank slate. Do what you want with them. So that's been another episode of That's Why We Have Hot Dogs in the Freezer, and that was an episode of Make It Yourself, Zoodles. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, share, hit the little button on the top so you get notifications, and we'll see you. Bye.